Hello, little one. This is a quiet moment. We are here together. Nothing needs to be done. Sometimes something changes, something tips over, something falls, something breaks that was not meant to break. Sometimes it happens slowly, one small thing after another, sometimes all at once. And after it happens, there is an after. The after is part of the moment. It belongs here. It does not have to be rushed through. The body notices. Sometimes the body goes very still, like it is waiting to find out what comes next. Sometimes the chest feels full, a warmth or a tightness, or something between the two. Not quite one, not quite the other. Sometimes the hands pause, mid-reach, not sure yet what they are supposed to do. Sometimes the breath changes, gets shorter, or holds itself, without you deciding to hold it. This is not wrong. This is the body paying attention. This is the body doing its job. The after can feel quiet. It can feel uncomfortable. It can feel busy inside. Many things at once. None of them settled yet. All of these are allowed. Sometimes the body does not know what to do right away. It pauses. Pausing is part of the after. There is room for the pause. The moment is still unfolding. Fixing things after does not always mean making things the same again. Sometimes it means noticing what changed. Sometimes it means staying with what is here. Sometimes it means doing something very small, moving one thing, picking up one piece, and then stopping. And that is enough. The body looks around. It notices what is there. It notices what it feels. It notices what it needs. And slowly, it finds a way forward. Sometimes it reaches and fixes right away. Sometimes it steps back. Sometimes it waits and comes back later. Both are allowed. Fixing things can look many ways. Putting something back carefully, cleaning something up slowly, moving something gently to one side, or leaving it for now and returning when ready. Each way belongs. Nothing needs to happen all at once. Sometimes the body rests first, and resting is part of repair. When the breath slows and the shoulders soften, the body finds its steadiness again. And from steadiness, the next small step becomes possible. Then the one after that. You are allowed to go slowly. You are allowed to take your time. The after does not have a clock. There is no rush to get through it. The body moves when the body is ready, and the body will be ready. It always finds its way. Every person who has ever held something, every big person, every small person, every child who ever carried something carefully and then watched it fall, all of them have had an after. And all of them have felt the body pause the way your body pauses, felt the breath change, felt the stillness that comes right after something shifts, a puppy that bumped into something and then sat very still, looking, blinking, waiting to understand, and then slowly got up again and moved on. A little child who spilled a cup and stood there for a moment, just a moment, before anything else happened. A bird that landed in the wrong place and held very still before lifting off again to try somewhere new. That pause belongs. It is part of how the body learns. No one moves through these moments without pausing. No one needs to. The body that lets itself be still first, that lets the breath slow, that body finds its way forward more gently. And the body that rests first, that lets the shoulders soften, that body finds its way more gently than the body that rushes. There is no hurry here. The after waits. It does not run ahead. It stays with you until you are ready. You are here. You are safe. You are cared for. Repair can stay with you now. Soft, steady, and kind.